Hey Brewers, Brad here. What day is it? Friday. F***ed up Friday. So, does this look like beer to you? Looks like beer to me. Let's have a little look-see. There's a lot of folks out there who, if it ain't clear, it ain't beer. That's f***ed up, okay? This, one of my favorite local beers. I'm not gonna name it, but those in the know can probably guess what it is. Don't fear the haze, my friends. Haze means biotransformation. Haze means beautiful fruit flavors. Haze means potentially wheat and other cool adjuncts that are in there. You know what else? If you like to enjoy to excess, as I do, there's all types of vitamin B12 and all this haze and all this sediment. And you know what that is? Some say the anti-hangover vitamin. Don't fear the haze. Drink more haze. Feel less f***ed up. Cheers. God damn, that's good haze.